Hi everyone. Welcome back to my education YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the solar system. Have you ever wondered what's out there beyond Earth? Let's find out. The solar system is made up of the Sun, 8 planets, and other objects such as moons, asteroids, and comets. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun is the center of the solar system and is the largest object in it. The 8 planets orbit around the Sun in a path called an orbit. Some planets are closer to the Sun than others, and some planets are bigger than others. Let's take a closer look at each planet. Mercury is the smallest planet and is closest to the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is known for its thick and toxic atmosphere. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only planet known to have life on it. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is known as the red planet because of its reddish appearance. Jupiter is the largest planet and is fifth from the Sun. It has a giant red spot on its surface and many moons. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and is known for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is tilted on its side, making it unique. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and is known for its blue color and strong winds. And that's a brief introduction to the solar system. By exploring the solar system, we can learn more about our place in the universe. I hope you enjoyed learning about the planets and other objects in the solar system today. Stay tuned for more educational videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.